to the channel. Thanks for joining. Okay, I am going to do a blowout and spin. I'm going to show you the consistency of my paints, and I will be teaching this course in person in Delray Beach, Florida in October. I'll have all the info on that, and I hope to see some of you guys there. I'm so excited. Lots of amazing artists, and I'll link the website below so you can sign up if you'd like and see just all the other artists and what courses that we are all offering. So this is one of them. I'm going to show you guys really quick the consistency. So let me just step over here. Okay, so this is for the base that I'm going to lay down first. This is Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. I'm going to go over the pouring medium in a second. This is Ore by this little Piggy. This is Pearlescent Mint. That actually doesn't really look minty on the camera. Pearlescent Mint by Boom Gel, and then Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. I did like a half and half and then put my pouring medium in. Then we have Pinwheel. And this also has a drop of like a blueberry size amount of Quinacridone Magenta by Golden. Yeah. So this has like a violet blue shift from the Pinwheel by this little Piggy. And then I just deepen the color, like the base of it, with that golden magenta. And this is Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. Now, the DIY pouring medium that I do, or that I use, is 25% golden regular gel gloss, which is here, I'll show you. And so it's 25% that. And then 75% USA FLOETROL. Mix those together, and that's my pouring medium. And then I add that to my paint, my acrylics. It depends on the brand of paint, but usually it's between like 1 part paint to like 3 to 5 parts of that pouring medium. It just depends on the pigment load in the acrylic colors. I do wet my piggies down first with a wet water gel mix. Then I add my DIY pouring medium to those as well. And yeah, I'll cover all that in the description box underneath this video as well, and at my courses in person. So I have an 18 by 24-inch deep edge canvas. Don't mind this. And I have it on my spinner. So I'm just going to puddle out, or put the base down and drop in the colors, and we're going to blow it out. I'm probably going to do a two puddles, and then blow them out, and then we'll spin it and see what we get. So let's get my colors back over here. Now the reason I added the Pearlescent Mint by Boom Gel, which is this guy here, to the Amsterdam Turquoise Green, this is heavily, like severely opaque, and to counter that opaqueness I will always add extra pouring medium. My pouring medium has the gel in it, which adds transparency to your paints, which I like, because I really like to have mostly transparent colors, and then like maybe one, or definitely at least one like opaque, maybe 2 depending on the technique I'm doing. But for the most part, I really like to work with transparent colors. Things happen, you could see the colors through the colors. So, but this one specific Turquoise Green by Amsterdam paints it's like really opaque, and so I stretched that out. So I added some Pearlescent Mint, which is a transparent, and a little bit of the turquoise green, and then loads of my pouring medium. So this was probably like a 1 part paint to 5 parts pouring medium. And I can tell the transparency of it, because as you can see, hopefully you can see that on the side of the cup, the paint that has dried, you can see that it's a little bit more transparent. So I like that, because sometimes the opaques can just take over and completely destroy your painting. Or in mine anyway, it's just my opinion. Right, enough talking. Let's just jump in. Okay, so fingers crossed. All right, so here we go. And I have some more of this Prussian blue on the side. Need it to probably touch up the edges. Do I? Yes, I do. I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is a little bit thicker than that was, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water just to thin it out. These paints have been sitting for a little bit, so I always kind of like to check them before I execute my pour. Okay, so let's get rid of this stick. I'm going to add a little bit more. And now I'm going like oblong pillow because that's the shape of the canvas. So we have 18 by 24, so you kind of want to make like a rectangle puddle. Now, kind of debating on between pouring layer or kind of just like spilling it in like a dirty pour into the pillow and then blow out and spin. So we'll see. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, let's drop in some gold. Actually, do you know what? I think I'm going to do that, but I'm just going to do 1 puddle. So let's just go from up high. So that's the pigment by this little Piggy. And then we're going to drop in some this. Just drop it. Hopefully it's getting a little mixy down there. And let's go for some little bit of the Prussian blue. You can tell I mixed these paints today because there's lots of air bubbles, but it's fine, not worried about it. Pinwheel. Okay, so see how I kind of just heavily poured it in there? So hopefully underneath that it's kind of mixing a bit. And then we're going to go primary magenta on top. Right, so let's get these out of the way. I get paint on them, but that's okay. Now, I'm using a 1200 watts travel hair dryer by Baby Bliss. I've got my air diffuser taped on because it kept spitting on me. So I'm just going to give this a blow and then we'll see what we have and spin it out. And this hair dryer is on low. Okay, now we'll just chill out for a second. It's kind of like the bloom technique. You know, I'm just kind of waiting for it to chill out, gather some cells to grow. I've gotten loads of cells. There's no silicone in that, and this is just from different paint densities. It has a lot to do with the gel gloss that is in the pouring medium and the FLOETROL. And it's looking good. I'm probably going to put a little bit of Prussian blue there. I'm going to lose some petals, but I just want it to like blow up. You know, like, I don't know, just spread out all crazy cool. I might actually have to mix up some more paint. And really like that magenta in the middle. Hopefully we can make this paint stretch, because I don't want to spin too hard, because this is kind of a bigger canvas for spinning, and I don't want paint to fly on my art pieces, fly on my clothes. So I'm not going to spin too crazy. I'm just going to kind of go slow in the beginning, and I'm not going to torch right now. Loads of really cool cells. Very cool. Okay, let's give a spin. Okay, wow. Now, let's see if I should tilt a little. Wow. Prussian blue is just an awesome color. Okay, so I spun that way, so I'm going to spin it back this way. Make sure my canvas is attached there so it doesn't go flying off. Wow. The cells are amazing, and they're going to continue to grow. That boom gel as well has a lot, even though I just put a little bit in it in that one color, and, you know, combine the colors, that boom gel, like, is crazy when it comes to cells. So let me really quick, because I don't want to overspin this. See, do I have any? Oh, I have a little bit more Prussian blue from the other day, so I'm just going to do this a little bit. Let me make sure it's thin enough. But I hope you guys join me in Florida. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited not only to teach you guys and meet you guys. I'm excited to get to the States. I haven't been to the States since pre-COVID, so I'm really, really looking forward to it. And I hope this is one of many trips that I get to make over to do in-person courses. I'm just delighted. I'm excited to meet you guys, excited to teach, excited to meet other fluid heads, the artists, and just to be there. And, you know, I'm super excited, and I hope you guys join me. I have this, we'll be doing this as a course. I have the cloudy straight pour that I've been doing. What else? I have like a 2-for-1, so we're going to be doing like a color split Dutch pour, and then using the same paints, we're going to shoot over and do a dirty pour. So, you know, just, it's going to be fun, and you're going to make friends, you're going to meet the artists. Just come along. Tell me if you're coming. Let me know in the comments. So again, I'm not spinning this like crazy. This is amazing. I'm blown away. I'm not spinning like crazy because I try to like to control my spins so I don't get paint everywhere. If I had a giant studio and could, like, you know, really properly like set up a spin station, that'd be great. But I don't, and that's okay because I love my cute little cottage studio. So I'm just making sure that paint's all over the edges, and I'm going to go around, I'm going to clean up the edges, match them up. Stuff's going to drip and fall, but I'm going to leave it there and bring you guys in for a close-up. This is amazing. And it's still going to grow, develop. So I will make sure, I'm going to clean up the edges, match up the colors as best as I can, scrape the drips, and then I'll be right back, and I will bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, be right back. Okay, so here we have it. I've scraped the drips. Everything is just chilling out now. Look, check out the transparency there. Love it. And you can see the shimmer. Cute little island cells. I love the center. That primary magenta. All the cells are booming. Love, love. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Thanks to everybody who's ordered the spinner, the FLOETROL spin station, keeping us busy over here. And if you're interested in one, check out the website below. It's ericahughesart.com. And we're going as quick as we can. But you guys are awesome. Let me know if you're going to Delray Beach. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.